Hi to you watching this video. So this video is a part 2 of the estimation for formworks of the beam. Okay, so when estimating for the formworks for the beam, be careful if it is a continuous span or if it is an end span. So what do we mean by that? So here, this beam here is part of the continuous span. Okay, so nasa loob siya, while the beam here is an end span. So the height on the end span will be varying with the height of the formworks for the mid span. What do we mean by that? So imagine, this one here is this one in this cross-sectional view, while the beam here is this one here. Now, isn't it that the depth of our beam is equivalent to 0.4, and here the depth or the thickness of the slab is already integrated, so 0.4 meters. Therefore, the depth of the beam here is the depth of the beam that we're going to consider for our formworks would be 0 and the thickness here is 0.125. Therefore, the depth of the beam that we're going to consider is equivalent to 0.275 meters. Okay? But here on the end span, the depth of the beam that we are going to use for our formworks on this side would be 0.275 meters, while on the other hand it is 0.4 meters. Okay, the reason behind this is kasi if we are going to have our formworks, kung hanggang dito lang yung formworks natin up to here, wala tayong formworks na abot hanggang dito sa height ng slab sa dulo, tatagas lang yung ating concrete. Okay, so tatagas lang siya, walang stopper. That's why on this end we are going to have it the full depth of the beam, which is 0.4 if it is on the end span. Okay, so ibig sabihin, if this one is an end span beam on this side, so it's either on this one or on this side or on this side, itong isa is mas mataas, haabot siya hanggang sa top ng slab, while on this other side hanggang sa ilalim lang ng slab. Okay, then magkakaroon ulit tayo ng formworks dito for the slab. Okay, so yun yung gusto nating i-emphasize. Okay, because it will play or it will affect greatly if nasa end span ka pero hindi mo in-increase yung height hanggang sa height ng slab. Okay?